Hindi po magulo ang Senado. Look at our session since I took my oath. Lahat ng session very orderly, puno ng substance, at sumusunod kami. Yung panggugulo ay nangyayari before or after the session and was beyond our control, meaning kami ay nagre-react. So kanina nilinaw ko na receive na ng Senado ang articles of impeachment. Ang tungkulin ko po ay sumulat sa House of Representatives. Ginawa po natin kaagad yon. Kahapon pinadala natin, Wednesday night, sa gitna ng kaguluhan, ni-receive at I'd like to thank the Senate staff, Secretariat, na iwan sila napakadaming dokumento, papakita ko po sa inyo, pero inisa-isa nila yon na siguradong kumpleto. Bakit po? Hindi nila masacertify sa akin at hindi ko sesend sa House nang hindi ito natatapos. Kinonsulta ko lahat, pati sila. Sabi, sir, huwag na natin tantanan, tapusin na natin ito tonight para bukas mapadala natin. So in the meantime, nang pinadala sa Senado, yung articles of impeachment po ay pinadala na sa lahat ng opisina. Makikita po natin dito ang pangalan ng mga senador, tapos yung receive ng staff nila at saka yung date and time. So 23 senators chose to receive it already. Ang natira na lang po ay office ni Secretary Risa na Senator, ano sabi?
Secretary.
Sorry. I was on my mind kasi yung Sergeant at Arms at Senate Secretariat, no? Again, salamat sa inyo. But the Secretariat, ipapadala to sa Vice President para sagutin niya. So ito po ang sulat ko po sa lahat ng mga senador na marireceive po nila. For the honorable members of the Senate, I write to inform you of the action taken by this office in connection with the impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte transmitted by the House of Representatives. The Senate received the resolution of the House of Representatives setting forth the said articles of impeachment together with annexes thereto on May 13, 2026. On 13 May 2026. Pursuant to Rule 1 of the Senate Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials and consistent with its mandate under Article 11, Section 3 of the Constitution, the Senate has taken proper order of the impeachment and shall immediately proceed to its consideration. This office has accordingly communicated the Senate action to the House of Representatives through a letter addressed to the Speaker of the House of Representatives dated 14 May 2026, which they received on that date. By the way po, nakausap ko rin po si Speaker sa phone noong May 13 at binanggit ko po na we will be replying at natanggap na po. Yes, kasi papunta or nandun na yung taga House of Representatives.